Now I would like to explain you an important result of chapter similar triangles. What is this important result? The result is if two triangles are similar, then the ratio of corresponding sides is same as the ratio of corresponding medians, angle bisectors, altitudes and perimeters. That is, we say these 5 results for two similar triangles are same. What are these 5 results? Ratio of sides, ratio of corresponding sides, ratio of corresponding medians, ratio of corresponding angle bisectors, ratio of corresponding altitudes, ratio of corresponding perimeters is same. Number 1. So what is given? We are given 2 or more similar triangles. So I am writing here, we have 2 triangles. One I can name as ABC, another I can name as PQR, and these 2 triangles are given to us similar. So in given we will write triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. We are having triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. If I pick first part to prove, then in addition to it I need to write AM and PN medians. AM and PN are medians. This is also given. For first part, if it is second part, we will write AM and PN are angle bisectors. Or if altitudes for third part, we will write AM and PN are altitudes. And similarly, we will change. If we are going to plot altitude, then we will draw the line which is making 90-degree angle with the base. And if it is angle bisectors, then we will draw which will show that angle is actually bisected. So accordingly we will change this part of the given, that is in case of median I am taking AM and PN are medians. In case of angle bisectors we will take AM and PN are angle bisectors. In case of altitudes we will write here AM and PN are altitudes. So this is the given, this is the common. Now what we want to prove for the first part? We want to prove that the AB upon PQ, or you can say BC upon QR, or you can say AC upon PR is equals to AM upon PN. You know that if two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are proportionally, and this ratio has to be same as the ratio of corresponding medians, that is AM and PN, as I want to prove. Now if I take the proof, it is again very simple. As we have that two triangles ABC and triangle PQR are congruent, so we can say angle A is equals to angle P, angle B is equals to angle Q, angle C is equals to angle R. This is one conclusion because triangles are given similar. Now we have AB upon PQ is equals to BC upon QR is equals to AC upon PR. Again the same reason, as triangles are similar, so their all angles, corresponding angles are equal, and their all 3 corresponding sides are proportionally. So this result, angle A is equals to angle P, angle B is equals to angle Q, angle C is equals to angle R, is denoted by result number 1, and ratio of the corresponding sides AB by PQ, BC by QR, AC by PR is denoted by relation number 2. Now if I take this part, that is AB upon PQ is equals to BC upon QR. What can I say? In place of BC, I can write BC. AM is median, so M is the midpoint. So in place of BC, I can write twice of BM. And in place of QR, I can write twice of QN, because PN is the median. Property of median, median is the line segment which joins the vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. So AM is the median, that's why M is the midpoint of BC. PN is the median, that's why N is the midpoint of QR. So in place of BC, I can write twice of BM or twice of CM. In place of QR, I can write twice of QN or twice of NR. So twice get cancelled. I have got the result. AB by PQ is same as BM upon QN. This result I am taking as one of the important results for proving our required statement, that is AB by PQ is equals to BM upon QN. AB is this, is AB by PQ is this, BM upon QN. But their included angle B and Q for these two triangles are same, but angle B is equals to angle Q from where? From this statement number 1. Angle B is equals to angle Q. Angle B is equals to angle Q. Why? As big triangles ABC and PQ are similar, so their all angles has to be equal correspondingly and all sides has to be same as shown in the result number 1 and 2. By taking AB by PQ and BC by QR, we have shown AB by PQ is equals to BC by QR. In place of BC, twice of BM by median property. In place of QR, twice of QN, 2 and 2 cancelled. So we have received AB by PQ is equals to BM by QN and angle B is equals to angle Q as I have mentioned here. So if I see that these two small triangles ABM, this implies triangle ABM is similar to triangle PQN. Triangle PQN. By which condition? Condition name SAS, because one of the angle is same and sides of these equal angle are in the same ratio for these small triangles. So these triangles are similar. ABM is similar to PQN. It means what? The sides has to be equal in ratio. So we can conclude AB upon PQ is equals to what? BM. BM upon what? QN. And also equal to AM upon what? PN. So from this conclusion, what we are finding? Ratio of AB to PQ, that is ratio of AB to PQ, that is ratio of the sides of that big triangle, is same as the BM to QN. These are the medians. So this is our required result which we would like to show. So we can conclude that AB upon PQ is equals to BM upon QN. Similarly, if median is given from vertex B and Q, vertex C and R can also be proved. This is proved as we need, and AB by PQ, BC by QR, AC by PR are already equal. So this is the first part